Making homemade ice pops is a great way to get the kids in the kitchen, with tropical refreshing flavors that everyone will love. Today we're using mango, coconut, and hibiscus lime. These delicious flavors are inspired by paletas, which are traditionally made by juicing the entire fruit. But today we're going to show you some kitchen hacks that will make it a lot easier using items that you can get right on our shelves. So let's get right into it. Our first flavor is hibiscus lime, using hibiscus tea leaves and simple syrup and fresh lime juice. We're using a bottom coffee press to extract our tea leaves. It just makes it a lot easier, and you probably have one of these in your home anyway. The first step is just making tea. Just take a scoop of tea leaves and hot water. You're really just making tea. The extraction is really quick, especially if you use nice hot water. Next step is mixing everything together. You have a hibiscus tea, some simple syrup, which is just sugar and water. You can make it as sweet as you like, and some fresh lime juice. You're gonna let this sit and cool for a few minutes because it's still warm, and then we're gonna add it to our mold. Next up is mango cream, using mango nectar, not juice. Make sure you get nectar because it's more concentrated, and we're making ice pops after all. And condensed milk. So just add everything together. Nectar, a little bit of condensed milk. It's totally up to you because condensed milk can be very sweet. Mix it all together until you see a cloudy consistency. Add a little bit of simple syrup. And as always, some lime juice. Lastly, we have coconut cream. This one's real simple. All you need is coconut milk. Make sure you get 100%, not the light stuff, and simple syrup. And add it to your mold. You can make this as sweet or as not sweet as you want. And the best part about this one, when it's done freezing, it gets sticky, and you can add some coconut shavings on top to make it extra fun. So I've got my mango and hibiscus already in the mold, and it's time to add the coconut cream. Remember not to fold the mold all the way up because ice expands and you don't want it to overflow. And to make it a little bit more interesting and fun, we're gonna add some fresh fruits and edible flowers to it. To my coconut, we're adding edible orchid. When your molds are full, just pop the tops on and get these in the freezer for about 4 hours until your popsicles are frozen. So, after 4 hours, there you have it. A beautiful and delicious ice pop that's guaranteed to keep you cool this summer. Want more recipes? Like this video and follow us for more.